Hello and welcome to your Portuguese. Short ago, we taught you how to say bye in Portuguese, but it is not the only way to see somebody off in this language, as well as bye or goodbye are not the only ways to do it in English. So today we are going to teach you one more way to say goodbye in Portuguese, so that you do not need to use the same word all the time when you need to see someone off. Let's go! Today, we are going to teach you how to say see you soon in Portuguese. It is simple, and we have already mentioned it here in previous videos. It may be either até logo, até mais, or only até. The word até means until, and logo means soon. Mais means more, yet in this case it may mean later. The same way that see you soon is not so formal in English, it is informal in Portuguese, so pay attention when you will use it. Let's see some examples. Foi bom te ver, mas agora tenho que ir. Até logo. Foi bom te ver, mas agora tenho que ir. Até logo. It was good to see you, but I have to go now. See you soon. Nossa, estou atrasado. Atrasada. Preciso ir. Até mais. Até. Nossa, estou atrasado. Atrasada. Preciso ir. Até mais. Até. Whoa, I'm late. I need to go. See you soon. See you. You already know how to say see you soon. Next time you will finish a talk to someone who you know well in Portuguese. Don't waste the opportunity to try it. Até mais! If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video. And if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.